Hi friends, welcome to the channel, and here I'm just showing you this Cargifak crystal pendant lights. So it's a mini chandelier with a champagne gold finish. This is a modern hanging light fixture for kitchen, dining room, bedroom, or wherever you want to use it. So I've received this two pack to show like the build and the structure. I will update of course this video once I got this fully installed in my kitchen on the countertop. So you can see this have a crystal finish, very nice, like it's a heavy build chandelier thing, very heavy strength cable which can withstand this thing. And this is a very pretty the crystal things that comes with this one, very nice look. And the champagne gold is also matched with your medium oak or the oak cabinets, and a little like brownish or the goldish countertop. So all the accessories are supplied with this one. And the thing is, you can use any sort of E26 fixture bulb. So it can be a normal bulb or a LED or a CFL incandescent light, anything you want. So this is a K9 crystal lampshade with a E26 bulb base. So as I mentioned, so the light will thing, and these are the all accessories that comes, and the instruction, there's a glove so that you can wear while putting it there. So all the accessories are supplied for fixing it. So here's the instructions that you can use how to install. And the good thing is you can actually maintain the length from the roof for this fixture. So I will show you. So these are the pipes that's supplied with it, and you can use for as many level of heights you want to. So say like if you want to use for a little longer thing, then you can combine these two, and the wire will go inside from these pipes. So as you can see, like the wire can go like one after one, that from there the black wire, and then you can attach this together so that you can have a really long thing. So if you say have a double height, you want to use it there, you can use the whole long height. So they also given here an extra the crystal line, in case like if something break, you can replace this with this one. So it have also have like one additional light to crystal fixture. So these are the supply that you can use. So this looks really pretty nice. You can see like the from the side this crystal, and this whole assembly will be really looking nice. So this wire, as I mentioned, this can go from those pipes so that you can adjust the height. So I'm just showing you putting one, how this will look. So I'm now opening this, the second one is like to show like the packaging and stuff, and it's almost or the same thing. The same crystal panel packed really nicely to avoid any damage. Comes with the accessory pack, instructions, all those type of stuff. So because it always look good like when there is a setup of two or three pieces together in the pendant, especially on the countertop, dining table sort of thing. So I will suggest, like if you want to go for it, go for at least two three pieces so that you can have a really nice effect. So say like if once it will be installed, it will look like this. uh, so once installed, I will update my next video with the proper installation from my electrician.